Hello everyone, welcome back. This is video number 7. Now we're going to install Jellyfin in the Unraid server. Here we go. Apps. We're going to look for Jellyfin. And we're going to choose, what are we going to choose? Let's choose iOS just for consistency. Hit install, hit the latest, Jellyfin. I think this one also has to be part of the host, so you have to forward the ports to this. So put it on host, get rid of this stuff here. Okay, we're gonna give it the location for the config files. We already know what that is. App data, YouTube, and this is Jellyfin. Okay, perfect. And same scenario with the data. I'm gonna go. It's my remotes. And that's it, the whole thing. No, actually, this is media. Doesn't need access to it. Just access to the media. Click away. It's a slave. Save. And I believe that's it for this part. We launch it. Hopefully, we don't get no errors. Back to Docker. And move it into a little folder. And there she is. Then we launch. Welcome to Jellyfin. Pick a strong password. Password number 1. Okay, hit next. We're going to add media. It's movies. It's going to be called movies, just like Plex. We're going to add the folder. It's part of the data. Movie section. Movies. Hit OK. And then everything else we'll leave alone. You could read up on this later on, customize it for whatever you want, but you don't really need to. Hit OK. Then we're going to add another media library. This is going to be TV. It's going to be, in this case, shows. And let's call it TV. TV shows. I'm going to add a folder. We're going to pick data, TV section, standard. Hit OK, hit OK, and hit next. Hit next. I don't like this. I never use UPnP, so just leave that unchecked. Allow remote connections, and you're done. And we're back to the user. Sign in. And this is Jellyfin with empty libraries. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay. Thank you for watching. I'm going to show you how to install, what else? No, that's it. We're done. I'm going to show you how to download stuff on the next video, since we had everything set up now. Okay, guys. See you in the next one.